Morning. I had set dosa. You know what is set dosa for breakfast? It comes in set. I thought it's the name of the dosa, but actually it's not the name of the dosa. It is called set dosa because it comes in three. It's quite filling, and I also had a vada. So every Friday probably I'll be having breakfast outside because whatever they make here, it's a rice bath. In Karnataka, they take a lot of rice, I guess. Different varieties of rice baths, but if only they made bisibale bath, it would have been good. Now one day I'll have to buy bisibale bath from outside and have it. So what happens is that when you subscribe or when you register in this Zomato and Swiggy and all, what happens is that they keep giving you notifications at different timings. Like when it is in the morning, they will give you the notifications of having breakfast, the things that you could have, and in the afternoon they would give you notifications of lunch, and it keeps on coming, and they address you like foodie. So I was thinking, how did they know that I'm a foodie? It's probably only foodies register for these apps, right? Basically, I am a foodie. I love food. I love exploring food, and as it goes, it's there in the things to do list. And when I am settled in life and I will be able to explore the world, in the sense go to different places, then definitely food is going to be a part of it. So first, I think I'll have to start with India, because even India I have not explored. Wherever I've stayed, I have known mostly only that part. Because to be able to go to different places, you need two things. One is, in fact, three things. One is your passion. You need to be passionate about traveling, knowing about places. Second thing is you need a lot of money, which means that you have to be settled. And the third thing is you need a good network, in the sense you should have people you can connect with, because if you're traveling you need people, in the sense not only just to go with someone, but apart from that there are so many things which is helpful if you have a good network of people you can trust. From all strata of the society, you need to have people connection. It's very important. So just having money is not enough, but you also need money. But apart from that, you also need this. So today I had a hair wash and I've applied the Wow conditioner. I'll tell you how, if at all there is any difference, I'm going to tell you. As of now, there's no difference, but usually when you apply conditioner or shampoo, at least in my hair, it takes about 3-4 hours for it to smoothen. Until it is dry, it is more frizzy like this. So just leave it for 3-4 hours and then wait and see for the change, if any, that I've experienced using that. It's the first time I've used it. It rained so much yesterday night, so much thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. I could not sleep for a very long time because from all the sides there's a lot of bang, bang, bang. The doors were banging and the windows were kind of shaking, the wind coming and hitting the windows. So I just checked outside and it was heavy rain. I think it lasted for 1 or 2 hours. So today the temperature is very low, very, very low, and it's a pleasant weather, I would say. So that's about Bangalore. Bangalore gets quite some rain, especially this part, because I know about it because I stayed here for 3 years and I know how it had been. So Bangalore gets pretty much rain at all the times, and so it keeps the weather moderate. So if you also consider the weather of Bangalore, I tell you that it is pleasant. I remember this long ago when I was very small. I used to visit this place because I've got some relatives here. Even at those times, I used to feel so much different, the weather from Kerala to Bangalore. So if you consider the weather, this is a very good place because basically you don't need air conditioning for a very long time. Even a fan would do, especially some parts. At least this Jaipur part is very, very cool and pleasant. Look at the fan. I don't get the fan to this end, so this corner, So what I do is I pull the bed that side, and because this is a very small bed, this is a bed like what you have in the